Hello friends, this video is primarily for salespeople who use LinkedIn for getting a proper connections and to build a network to increase their sales. The one of the prime feature, it's a paid feature. Most of the time it will be 1 month free trial will be there. It's a sales navigator feature. In this video, I am going to cover about the different options in sales navigator. So if you are a salesperson and if you are active member in LinkedIn and you feel your customers are there in LinkedIn, don't hesitate to take this Prime membership in Sales Navigator plan. Even though it will be charge little, but over the time you feel it will be worth to pay it because you can get direct access to many customers and the top C-level people, and we can get to know about the many companies which can be a potential client for us. So I'll directly, if you want to enable the plan, you can get it here on the bottom of your profile. You can see a sales navigator. Just click on it. Activate account will be there. You have to put your card number and activate. Most of the time, you will get a 1 month free trial. If you have that free trial from LinkedIn, don't hesitate. Simply take it. We can cancel it anytime and it will not going to charge you unless you are completing the free trial period. Okay, and you just read the terms and condition. It's current plan, so it may change time to time. So you have to click on the sales navigator here. Okay, the I'll show you one prime difference for you to understand. Is if you are not in sales navigator, if you are searching here, I am a RF professional, so I am searching RF sales. If I type like this, we will get people name here and getting an option to connection. We can give a connection request. That's only we can do. If you go to their profile, maximum 3 people profile, we can check it. If more than 3 and if it is not in the first level of connection, we are unable to get the further contact details. But if you are in a sales navigator, you can search. I am searching RF sales. If you type and enter, you can see the list of people with that title who have in their profile like RF sales. If you are selling RF sales directors, you can get direct access to the sales director in different companies. So you can see it here, either currently as a sales director or previously you can see here a business development sales director. So then you can see as an it's a lead directly to concerned person. If you want to know about the company, you can click on this account. So you can see the different companies who have our sales directors. So I'm going back to lead. If you want to filter, many filter options are there, like level of connection, geography, industry. If you click on this plus, you can see first degree connections. If you click on that one, those who are as a first degree connection with you, with your account, you can list it out here. Minimize this one. If you want to filter on country, geography, if I'm searching United States, you can see lot of people with the profile sales director in United States. If you want to filter as India, I am canceling United States. You can see the list of people. Companies, sales marketing president, Google digital. Okay, so like that you can see listing. So if you want to filter year of experience, that you can do 1 year, 2 year, like that. Job title you can type and see. Maybe currently as a sales director or past previously if they are a sales director, that way we can filter it out. Okay, like that we can list out the people. So once we have the concerned person, if you want to save to one particular group or list, you have to simply go to save option here. These are the different list I created. I show you how to create each list. Then to which list you need to add, you can select it here. Select the list. It will automatically add to that list. It's very simple. So if you want to see the list, you can see the option here, account list, lead list. Account list is a list of companies which you added to your potential list. If you click on this one, I have only one list and I had four companies. You can see it here. If you click on this one, you can see which are the companies you listed as on a specifically. In lead list, I have some 6 7 list. In each list, I have some people. It's I selected on the base of my criteria. You can see here 913 members are there in R of business development list. These are the R of business development professional whom I'm trying to build a connection, basically a network with these people. In the added list itself, you can see here different option like change the job in last 90 days. Means these 37 people are recently joined to some company. So they will be very active to make a build a network with us because they want to develop business. So we can easily try to filter like that. Someone who posted in LinkedIn, in that out of 913, 247 people posted recently in LinkedIn. And you can see share experience with you 322 people. So they are very active in LinkedIn. So if you put a connection request, probability will be more to get connected with these people. So like that, we can filter out in account lead list. Again, I'm going. If you check another list, are of members that also have 950 members, are of professional too. Like that, we can create different types of list. If you want to make a copy of this, you can do make a copy list information. If you want to delete the list, you can simply delete it like that, and you can filter it out, updated recently, all this thing. So, and if you want to switch to account list, directly option is available here. If you want to search someone here in the list, that also you can do it here. If you enter this name, his details will be available. Okay, now in lead list, what all things we can check it, I will show you. If I want to get more details about this person, simply click on it. You can get all his details, his previous company, like that, whatever. Like that, you can see the many people in this domain. If you want to directly put a message to these people, simply click on messaging. Here you can see I written a lot of message to many people. So that if you are a prime member only, we will get this option to directly message to these people. So these are the options available. We can send up to I think 50 messages to these people without any problem. We can simply send. So friends, Sales Navigator is one of the best tool I can recommend for the sales people. So don't hesitate to at least take a free trial. It will be worth for you people. Okay friends, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, put on the comment line. If I know the answer, I will help you out. LinkedIn is one of the best tool for the sales and business development people to increase the business. Even though the costing little, we feel like it little bit much amount, but all the time you will feel it will be worth. Okay friends, please subscribe my channel. Thanks and share this video who will be new to Sales Navigator. Thanks for watching my video. Bye, see you.